This is Larry Pereira, IMA with the One Life Network, and I'm here to discuss with you today about what is Zoom. Many of you might be concerned about, well, what is Zoom? Well, Zoom basically is an online meeting platform. We've been using this as a promotional tool for doing lots of meetings within the One Life Network. Many of you might be concerned about how can I access the Zoom platform. Well, before we discuss that, let me tell you what Zoom really is. Zoom allows you to really do meetings anywhere, both locally, regionally, and even internationally. It is truly a diverse tool, and really and truly you can use this anywhere in the world. With the advent of technology, it makes it possible for you, me, and anyone in this network to really promote and to see each other in real time. And that's the power of the Zoom. There are two ways in basically you can actually access Zoom. Number one, via your desktop or your laptop by going on to zoom.us. There you could just click download the software for your desktop or your laptop. If you're accessing it from a smartphone device, whether it be an Android or basically an Apple, you can do it two ways. You can go on the App Store in the iPhone area, or if you're using an Android system, you can go onto the Play Store. There you just download it, install, and you're ready to go. It's very, very simple if you want to join a meeting. Normally the meeting ID is a 9-digit number. So if you log on to zoom.us, on the top right hand corner, it says join a meeting, and it'll ask you for that 9-digit number. You just enter the 9-digit number and click join, and you're good to go. Adjust your mic settings, and you're ready to enjoy the meeting. Of course, you can also access it from your smartphone devices, where the entire link, it'll normally be followed by zoom.us / and the 9-digit number. All you gotta do is just click on the link and it takes you directly. Now you might be wondering, well, where do I actually get the Zoom link? Actually, the Zoom link is generated by the organizer. All right, so you're gonna get that via a WhatsApp groups, or by extension, email. And from there you click and directly you're sent to the Zoom meeting and you're ready to go. I'm just going to recap very briefly what we just did. In the menu bar, type in zoom.us, or you can actually Google it. Download the app for the desktop or by extension your laptop. And of course, if you're using a smartphone device, since many of you will be joining via your smartphone, you can go on the App Store or the Play Store. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. All the Zoom links will be sent to you via the leadership, and by extension, any organizer wishing to do any type of meeting via the Zoom platform. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Happy Zooming.